Hi everyone, this is a TinyChange 2023 Better Living Calendar. This is a calendar that's focused on wellness and will help you improve your overall wellness in 2023. What you see is the front side of the calendar, and then the back side looks like this. In the middle, the calendar is Viro binded, as you can see, and then it also has an eyelid below it which you can use for hanging the calendar on the wall. Now let's open the calendar and see what's inside. So once you open it, you can see a message about the Better Living concept, and it also explains the 12 themes under the Better Living concept. It starts with B, that's for believe, and then goes into other things like effort, time, talk, exercise, relationships, learning, inspiration, volunteering, integrity, now, and gratitude. So these 12 aspects of wellness are covered every single month over the span of 12 months in this calendar, which means each month you'll pick up one theme. There are life tips available for you, and then it'll help you to just focus on that one aspect of wellness and then improve it. So the idea is over a period of 12 months, you would have made considerable progress across all these 12 areas so that your overall wellness is enhanced. Now let's get into the first month and understand the planning layout or the calendar layout. So there are two parts for each month. This is how you'll see the calendar once you open and keep it and hang it on the wall. The top portion talks about the particular wellness area for that month, which is belief for January, and you can see there's an image on the left side. On the right side you have life tips given, and there's a space to write down what's a plan that you have to enhance wellness for that particular month. And then below you have the calendar area, which is also like a planning area. There's a lot of white space available. So there is a calendar area where you can note down all the important things that you want to remember from each day. If there are bills, there are deadlines for you to remember, key dates, all of this can be noted down. Below that, there is a habit tracker where you can track your daily habits, which will help you build positive habits and break negative ones. You also have a notes section on the right side where you can write down important things that you want to remember, like bills, deadlines, etc., which is not corresponded to a particular day. You also have like a mini calendar on the bottom portion for the previous month and the next month. So this is for January. Let's just move into other months and then quickly see how it looks like. Now this is for February, which is for effort, and then it goes into March. The theme is time management, and then it gets into talk. Talking is an important art that we are forgetting these days, so it's a reminder for us to have more meaningful conversations with the people that we love. And then the next month it goes into exercise, which is also a very important aspect of overall wellness. And then it gets into relationships. No explanations needed here how important it is for everyone. And then it gets into learning. We all need to learn every day. Even as adults, we forget to learn. We think that learning is something that we do only in schools and colleges, but every day we need to improve ourselves by constant learning. And then it gets into inspiration, which is the next theme for the month for August. And then it gets into volunteering, and then it goes into the next month's theme, which is integrity for October. And then we go into now, which is focusing on the now, right? Being present, mindfulness, that is now for November. And then for the final month, one of the most important aspects of wellness, which is being grateful, gratitude, right? So that's for December. And then towards the end of the calendar, you have an overall calendar for all the months put together. And you also have an activity scheduler wherein you can plan the entire month. You can see the entire year in a bird's eye view, and you can plan out activities that you want to do. So this is the calendar, Better Living Calendar for 2023 by TinyChange.